Messina is a city that survived more drama than a soap opera. Earthquakes, tsunamis, and even mythical monsters. Nestled on the northeastern tip of Sicily, Messina has been a crossroads of history, culture, and calamity for centuries. Its story is one of resilience, transformation, and a touch of legend. The 1908 earthquake flattened the city and triggered a devastating tsunami, leaving tens of thousands homeless. Yet, the locals rebuilt with astonishing resilience, turning tragedy into an opportunity to modernize and strengthen their beloved city. Today, reminders of that disaster are woven into Messina's identity, honoring the courage of those who rebuilt from the rubble. Messina's Orologio Astronomical clock tower is a marvel of engineering and artistry. Every day at noon, it puts on a spectacular mechanical show. Lions roar, roosters crow, and biblical scenes unfold, captivating both locals and visitors. It's a tradition that brings the city together, echoing the passage of time and the endurance of Messina's spirit. Even Richard the Lionheart once wintered here during the Crusades, likely grumbling about the strong Sicilian espresso and the abundance of lemons. His stay added another layer to Messina's rich tapestry of history, connecting the city to legendary figures and epic journeys. The Strait of Messina, separating Sicily from mainland Italy, is infamous for its tricky currents and swirling waters. Ancient sailors, bewildered by the unpredictable tides, blamed their troubles on sea monsters like Scylla and Charybdis, weaving myths that still capture imaginations today. Today, the only monsters you'll find are the fearless ferry captains, expertly navigating the strait's challenging waters with skill and confidence, ensuring safe passage for all. Crossing the strait is a short but genuine adventure, offering breathtaking views and a sense of connection between Sicily and the Italian mainland. It's a journey that's both practical and memorable. Messina is anything but boring. With its dramatic history, vibrant culture, and stunning scenery, this city continues to surprise and inspire everyone who visits. Arriving in Messina is refreshingly simple. As you step off your cruise ship, you'll find yourself just moments away from the city's vibrant heart. No need to stress about complicated transfers or haggling with taxi drivers. The port is conveniently located, so you can skip the hassle and start your adventure with a leisurely stroll. The city's energy greets you right at the dock, inviting you to explore at your own pace. Walking is truly the best way to soak in Messina's charm. The main square, Piazza del Duomo, is only a 10-minute walk from the port, and the route is lined with lively shops, welcoming cafes, and glimpses of local life. As you wander, you'll pass historic buildings and catch the aroma of fresh pastries drifting from bakeries. If you'd rather save your energy, hop aboard the storybook tourist train. This cheerful little train winds through the city's highlights, offering a fun and easy way to see the sights without breaking a sweat. Or for a touch of old-world romance, climb into a horse-drawn carriage. Let the gentle clip-clop of hooves transport you back in time as you glide past Messina's elegant facades and bustling piazzas. Taxis are always an option if you prefer a private ride. But remember, always agree on the fare before you set off to avoid any surprises at your destination. Don't be afraid to lose yourself in Messina's compact, winding streets. Sometimes the best discoveries happen when you're not following a map. Each turn might reveal a hidden courtyard, a charming gelato shop, or a quiet church filled with history. Embrace those spontaneous detours. Here, you're never far from where you need to be, and every side street has its own story to tell. The city's true rhythm is best experienced on foot, mingling with locals and fellow travelers, pausing to admire a street performer or sample a Sicilian treat. And when it's time to return, don't worry. Your ship will almost certainly still be waiting for you at the dock, ready to whisk you away to your next adventure. Just don't cut it too close. Begin your journey at Piazza del Duomo, often called Messina's grand living room. This vibrant square is the heart of the city, where locals and visitors gather to soak up the lively atmosphere, enjoy street performances, and watch the world go by. The energy here is contagious, making it the perfect starting point for exploring Messina's treasures. The Duomo di Messina stands proudly at the center, a symbol of resilience. Rebuilt multiple times after earthquakes and war, its interior dazzles with shimmering gold mosaics that tell stories of faith and endurance. Step inside to admire the intricate artwork and feel the centuries of history that echo through its walls. Just next door, the Campanile's astronomical clock is a true marvel. Every day at noon, crowds gather to witness its wild mechanical show, a parade of golden figures, roaring lions, and ringing bells. It's a spectacle that blends art, science and tradition, and it's absolutely unmissable. In the same square, the Fontana di Orione stands as a marble masterpiece. Created in the 16th century, this fountain is not just beautiful, it's a storyteller, weaving together tales of myth, astronomy and Messina's rich past. Snap a photo and imagine the legends that have unfolded here. For those craving a bit of adventure, take the scenic path up to Tempio Votivo di Cristo Re. The walk is invigorating, winding through charming streets and offering glimpses of daily life in Messina. At the top, you're rewarded with breathtaking sweeping vistas of the city below and the sparkling Messina Strait. The panorama stretches all the way to the mountains and the sea, making every step of the climb worthwhile. Inside, the domed church offers a peaceful retreat from the bustle. Whether you're reflecting quietly or snapping selfies with the stunning backdrop, the view from here is sure to make your friends back home a little envious. The best part? Messina's greatest hits are all within easy walking distance. You can explore centuries of history, art and culture in just a single day, making it the perfect destination for curious travelers. So take your time, linger at the cafe, and let Messina's charm wash over you. Every corner has a story, and every moment is worth savoring. Food is the soul of Messina. Don't miss the arancino, a golden, deep-fried rice ball stuffed with savory fillings. Cool off with a coffee granita, topped with whipped cream and served with a soft brioche roll. Sicilian breakfast at its finest. Cannoli are a must, crisp pastry tubes filled with sweet ricotta, best enjoyed fresh. For a real taste of Sicily, try pasta con le sarde. Sardines, wild fennel, pine nuts, raisins and saffron in one unforgettable dish. Forget your diet, today is for indulgence. Every bite tells a story of the city's history and flavors. Eat like a local, and you'll understand Messina's spirit. Buon appetito! Before you leave, remember your all-aboard time. Set an alarm and don't risk missing the ship for a last-minute cannolo. Shop for local ceramics and treats. A smile and buongiorno go further than haggling. Support local artisans, not just souvenir shops. Embrace the slow Sicilian pace. Pause in Piazza del Duomo with an espresso and watch the world go by. Carry some cash for small purchases. Not everywhere takes cards. The real joy is in experiencing, not just seeing. With a full belly and a camera full of memories, stroll back to your ship. Messina's resilience and charm will stay with you long after you sail away.